We will create veneers based on the ideal design that we have created before. In the first step, we add the prep scan to the project and calibrate it with the original scan. We set 3 points on one model, the same 3 points in the post-op model. For that calibration procedure, the palatal area is crucial. The teeth are prepped, but the only area that is exactly the same is the palatal area. Our technology compares the two scans and overlaps the similar areas. At this stage, we make small adjustments of the design over the prep. Now all details have to be readjusted, like interproximal contacts, position, size, etc. Select from the top left screen the option Veneers and follow the workflow. All the points that you have solved before, like smile analysis, you can skip. First, we need to create the visual guides for the minimal thickness. In the option guides, we mark the prepped area, which is the contact area between the original scan and the veneer. Click on the button Veneers and SmileFy creates automatically 2 layers. One layer with a thickness of 0.45 mm, on layer with 0 thickness. If your design is too thin for a certain material, you can readjust the position by moving the tooth buccally. In the mesh editor, use the brushes to adjust the palatal area and the margins. Liquify, use Liquify to adjust the gingival margins. Also, the AI interproximal analysis and correction helps to precisely adjust the important details of the design. Select a tooth, the point that you want to move, and slowly deform the mesh to the perfect position. Select CAD features and mark margins. Now you can mark the prep margins by setting points over the mesh. You create a curve that follows the prep area of the patient's tooth. You have also the option to move the light in order to see better the edges of the prep. Close the curve, adjust the points, compare the area with the design. Set an offset for the cement gap and click Save Margins and create veneer. After the veneer is created, go to the cross-section option, Quality Check TE Result, add measurements. Repeat the same procedure for every single tooth until you create all veneers.